Genapande ing launching ning official music video ning Fiesta Communities king metong Amol king Angeles City. Bang ipakit kanu ing saya ay biyana ning low-cost housing project karengtok ng Ketty. Ing detali ki report ng JD Manaloto.
Masaya, masaplala at katmong tula, yan ning imahing lulwal king isip na ning metong nga Pilipino, ustong dimdam ning katagang piyesta o kapiestan. Iniing temang mida kebye king lagyunan ning low-cost housing project a Fiesta Communities, lalam ning house land development. Agpang king marketing director ning Fiesta Communities ay Michael Tan, burida kanong ipakit kareng tao ing saya ay ibyen ning Fiesta Communities kareng tuknang kareng karelang bale.
Yung image ng Fiesta is fun, so we wanted to spread all over that we're having fun or we are fun community. And also, it's in preparation for our upcoming projects in the western part, southern part of Pampanga, and Tarlac. So hopefully we could open up in as soon as possible time, we'll be opening up 5 more projects in this area. So
Pepagit deking karelang advertisement at music video, ing tema ning housing project, a pangunahan ning batikang komedyanti ay Jimmy Santos.
Magandang amenities yung Fiesta Communities. Bukod doon, umpisa natin dahil sa mura, matibay, iwas sunog, iwas anay pa. At saka dito, member ka ng Pag-ibig, mag-down ka lang ng certain amount, may 2,398 ka monthly, pwede ka nang tumira.
Layon na kanuning proyekto at di na lang masanting at tuknangan ding Kapampangan nung no ka rin nala kailangan magkasakit gumastos maragul bang tuknang king masanting abale.
Ito naman ipakikinabangan natin in the future. At talaga naman may pagmamalaki ko, talagang sulit na sulit po. Fiesta Communities. I love Fiesta Communities 3 times a day.
5 na lakano ring makatikdong communities king Pampanga, mapilan ka reni makatalakad king Mabalacat, Angeles, Ampong Porac, at 5 na la rin ding babalakam dapang Ilage king munisipalidad Ampong Syudad ning Lalawigan, kabilang neing San Fernando.
Not just community, it's already a brand. Actually, we would like to make Fiesta parang household name pagdating sa housing dito sa region ng Central Luzon. So it's we're really strengthening the brand of Fiesta Communities.
Ako po JD Manaloto para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu, king Balen Susud.